welcome to this Reveal show brought to you by Kenken's Mommy's Enterprise, and I'm Billy. You are welcome to watch Reveal with Billy. So today I came around to observe what is going on right here at the first overhead that they are constructing on the stretch of Amasamai. It's a road project. Right away you can see behind me there's a massive work going on, and this heavy stuffs are being lifted. The pillars are being mounted for the next section of the overhead. So you can see they are done with the other side, and now they are going to do the other section. This is where I'm standing. So we're going to see a lot of videos right here. The first overhead to be constructed and to be completed right here. So we are going there to see what's going to happen and how they lift the stuff. This is a revealed. We are revealing every road in Ghana for you to see how it is right here. So don't go anywhere. Please stay tuned and watch all the videos right here in Ghana. Hello there, I welcome you all once again to this wonderful update right here. This is going to be the 6th update of the Pokuase-Franco rehabilitation, and as you can see in the drone footages, they are making a lot of changes right here. This the first overhead to be completed before they continue their journey to Amasamai. So this project is a 2 years contract, so they are very serious about it, and they're making all possible means to finish before the due time. So a lot of changes have happened here. If you're watching and you're not around Amasamai and you traveled over the country, or you are not close to Amasamai, this is the only channel that you need to watch and get all latest updates of Revealed for construction, real estate, and a lot more of traveling vlogging. So right here, I got to Festus and it was massive. There was a huge traffic congestion, which made me stop around the section and also to do a video about what is going on right here when I was heading towards Accra. So as you can see, yes, the first phase of the overhead is done. On my left, you could see where the first section where it's going to be a wheels or a motor section. People were just asking, can a motorbike pass on this overhead? Apparently, for information that I've gathered so far, it wasn't made for motorbikes. It was made for those who are using these wheelchairs and wheel cars. Yes, you can't use a motorbike. So if you are caught riding a motorbike on it and you are being sent to the police station, yes, you have caused your own arrest. So that's the information that I've gathered so far. Mostly overheads are not used by motor vehicles or motorbikes. Yes, motorbikes need to go and do a normal U-turn because you have licenses to operate and you have licenses to drive. You should use the normal road. So you can see that yes, heavy trucks are here to lift these metals, and on the first phase they are done with it, so they need to project it to the right side. And yes, they have opened that first phase so that the vehicles that are coming from Pokuase can pass through that section, and then they'll be closing my right hand side to the first bank to also start mounting this pillars and also this metal plates to continue their section. They're going to also join it to the one that they've opened. So you could see that in my next episode of video, the cars will be more congested at the right side because that is where they are done constructing the overhead. So they are going to also do the middle aspect on my left. So it is a drone footage that you can see there's a lot of work going on. Yes, Amasamai is developing very, very fast, and people will love to buy their lands there. So we need to get you a land which is very close and also very affordable for those who want to buy lands. And if you're watching this video and you love to give us a project that we should cover for you, you can do that. If it's a real estate, we can go there and cover for you. And if it's a land that you need to see that it's true that your family members, or any land you want to buy, or any land you want us to put it on our page, you can call us on the number on your screen right here. And if there's any project going on, you can also tell us and give us the direction. We will just give it to you right here on this channel. This channel is giving much information concerning construction and also lifestyle blogging in Ghana right here. For now, we're based in Ghana, so we are doing it right here. When we move to the other countries, we are also going to give you a lot of information concerning the next country that we're visiting. So this is Jonte area. Yes, the Jonte area, downwards, the section. So looking at the map of the road, the Jonte area wasn't giving any overhead. It was, giving a down section to pass. So it's going to be an under bridge for you to, pass. You're going to see the left and the right, descending to pass under this, tomb. So there's the stairs moving to the tomb of, the under bridge at Jonte. So that is the information for now. Jonte isn't going to have, any overhead for now, or any pass over. Is going to have, the under bridge that you'll be passing. So you can see the stairs on my right and on my left, lowering you down to, the tomb that you can pass in. So they are down with, the far end left and the far end right is level, the middle part. So they're going to flow, or they're going to heap all the sand, making it level for the cars to pass on the left and right. Those coming from, Pokuase, and also those coming from Accra will be passing on that section of stretch, and now they will now target the middle aspect. So in day in and day out, they are making sure that yes, they can just progress from one point to the other. You can see that they are filling those places so that you can just see it right here. There's a lot of work going on. Yes, I can testify that there's a lot of work going on. Into say what they are not say and Jumedian not say Modi and Pokuase any Ofankor barrier no where they any overhead bia they say under bridge and how not to say we are okay how not to some for that's where they'll be passing. So there wouldn't be any flyover or say under bridge anything. They're going to be on a bridge that you can pass. So that's the stairs, as you can see in the drone footages, and nice view by Billy. And right here, so this is a review of a road. Yes, to review with Billy, we are giving you a concept of road construction right here happening, and also the weekly update of Jonte Ofankor rehabilitation to Insaum projects. That's what you're seeing right here. Let's enjoy some of the footages. We'll be back. And when we talk about, the railway, people were just, asking why the railway, section is blocked. For now, the railway wouldn't be working again. So from Insaum to Accra railway wouldn't be, working because of the mega project going on right here. So it's going to be an easy, passage when you just move from Insaum to Accra. It's going to be so easy for you to use the vehicle because there wouldn't be any traffic congestion on the road after when the road is complete. So there wouldn't be any traffic congestion. But for now, they are now selling the overhead to just combine it and make it a major one. And this is behind me is it was a railway, and now they have demolished the railway to make it a full section of road. So behind me is what they are doing right here. Let's get it.